What's going on? Welcome to our channel, Naughty Life. My name is Alex and my wife Jill and I do fishing and boating videos, everything to do in the water here in Southwest Florida. And today we're doing a quick video tutorial on how to tie the FG knot. Now the FG knot is probably one of the easiest and strongest braid to leader knots that you can tie. And going through our own research and tying this knot hundreds of times, we've combined a few of the best ways we found to do it into one super easy, quick way for you to tie the best braid to leader line knot there is out there. So as always, we're gonna be using oversized braid and oversized leader line just so that you can see the knot properly. However, you're gonna want to match your leader line with the type of hook and type of fishing that you're doing. So if you're interested in learning on when and why we use leader line when saltwater fishing, we'll put a link in the description box below to our full beginner fishing knot video. We went through in the beginning of that and talked about the importance of using the proper leader line. So go ahead and check that video out if you're interested. As always, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's free for you to do. It helps the channel out a ton. And really quick before we get in the knot, we wanted to do a shout out to Avail Gear. This is a company that's owned by another YouTuber, Clay and Stephanie over at Life by the Bow. Now, we don't have any affiliation with them, just wanted to give credit where credit is due. We love the performance fishing gear. It's nice and lightweight, moisture wicking, does exactly what it's supposed to do. Again, no affiliation with them. If you're interested in checking out their products, we'll link it down below as well as link their channel. And with that, let's learn how to tie the easiest FG knot.
You start by taking your main line, which is coming from your fishing pole, pull out a couple of feet so you've got plenty of slack to play with. And you're gonna take it and you're going to wrap the tag end several times around your dominant hand, pinky finger. And what that's gonna allow you to do is put tension then on this main line. That's really important when tying this knot. And by doing it this way, it prevents you from having to put it up in your teeth. Next, you're gonna take your leader line, come over the top and do one single wrap around your braid. So as you can see here, you basically have this cross created. You got your braid coming down and your leader coming across. Now this next step is really easy, and once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple in terms of tying this knot. All you're gonna do is basically take your leader tag end and work it up over the top of your braid and straight, and then come over the top and down, and basically just crisscross it along your braid. So up, then over and down, over the top, over the bottom, and coming straight every time, over the top, over the bottom. And as you can see, you're creating this weave basically between your braid and your leader line. And we like to do it about 10 to 15 times. And then once you have something that looks kind of like that, you'll go ahead and you'll take your left hand or your non-dominant hand, you'll pinch right above the top of the knot, unravel the tag end of the braid from your dominant hand pinky finger, and you're going to finish this off by tying 2 half hitches. So one, and I'll do that again. Basically, you're taking your braid, you're coming over the top. Make sure you're wrapping it around your mono or your floral leader and your main line, and then coming through and doing a second hitch. And that's all it takes. Pull it tight so that you can make sure that your braid digs into your mono. Cut your tag end. And there you have it. There is an FG knot, which is our favorite and strongest knot to tie your braid directly to your mono.
All right, y'all, well, we hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider giving us a like as well as subscribing. Again, it's totally free for you to do. It helps us reach a wider audience. And we've got lots of cool stuff coming up. We've got more fishing tips, tricks, knot videos, on the water content, subscriber giveaways, just a ton of cool stuff that is coming down the pipeline. So if you'd like to be a part of it, we hope you'll subscribe. With that being said, life's short, live naughty. We'll catch you in the next one.